Next Thursday at 6 p.m. Central, the Robot Notebookers Discord server will be hosting another speed booking event, this one being the holiday special. So make sure you join the server, link in the description if you want to be a part of that. In the meantime, though, feel free to take a look back at some of these awesome moments that happened in previous speed bookings.
Do not be intimidated, okay? Do not be intimidated. Do you understand what I'm saying? Everyone, shut up! We cannot be intimidated.
You know, I feel a little rusty.
Yeah, I can't lie. We're both yeah.
I don't think we get in sig design with this one, to be honest.
Real. I don't think we're even getting regional design with this one.
Put s'mores on the title slide.
Is that a secret task, chat? Is that a secret task?
You need to do the table of contents.
I'm just saying, if those are a task,
s'mores is secret.
Somebody might be getting 10 points from solely having those s'mores in there. Anyone want to go and delete them? Hey, guys, you just hear a game manual update just dropped?
Bruh.
It's just gonna like ban bowling, isn't
Wait,
it?
what? Each team would receive 22 purple tower takeover cubes?
Wait. You said you'd like cat food. Not
oh,
cat
you better
as
not.
the
You
food.
better count that. You better count that.
Talk about eating the cat itself.
You said you'd like to eat cat food, not cats.
They'd be in a range from 5 to 20
entry
points.
ready at some point.
Game analysis.
Can someone get like a design matrix for the intakes?
Points.
I'm almost done with these.
We're gonna say this was 427.
That seems to be wide, right?
Alright, I'm gonna start pasting images of the 360, so feel free to use them.
360?
But there is a very specific reason that we need to have multiples of 2 for the number of teams that we have here tonight. So,
Are we teaming up?
you're actually not doing a notebook for a VRC team. You're actually doing a notebook for a Vex U team. And one of the other teams here has been doing the notebook documentation for your other robot so far.
Yep.
Oh no.
So are we teaming up with another team? We have to merge notebook.
Team. Well, Uvu, 8 votes is enough to move you out, so...
Alright, wait, hold on. Let me say my piece.
Nope, you're done.
Okay.
You're
My
dead.
eulogy, please. Let me.
Let him.
Nope,
Let him.
he's dead.
Not terrible is like high praise for from 9mm gang. Just saying.
Yes, not terrible from me on a 1-hour notebook that's good stuff.
Not terrible from Evan is like turbo glazing by any parent judges.
Bobot. There are 2 Bobots, and there are 56 Robors.
Let's go with Cole. I have faith in you, Cole. Don't let me down.
He's gonna let you down.
This is very sad.
All right, Uvu, next pick. All right, real quick.
You better count that.
Cats
Yo,
cats are different.
if you do not give me that, I am going to be so mad.
Let's say that counts. That counts.
I'm
But,
doing
like,
a quick
it's
little
cat
poll.
food, not cat.
What
He's
are
talking
we?
about eating a cat.
I didn't say cat. I said cat.
Does not equal cat.
That's talking.
Nick
No,
has
no,
so I don't think
I
that
think
counts.
I think Rowan has the most.
Actually, no, Nick does. He was sneaky.
What is that? Yeah.
Wait, Nick does. It's just all
does
invisible.
Not count. That's not text if it's the same color as the background.
No, that's it. Nick wins that one.
We did say by word count.
Damn.
So.
Okay.
Wait, it's not a valid citation because it's Vex Proborics. Vex Proborics.
I'll count it. It's the Vex Roborics competition.
I hate you so much you don't even realize that.
I'm very glad to hear this.
So I'm not seeing any matrices up for the first bit.
That's what the aura was about.
Where's the aura?
Did
David
not
take that task?
Okay, so this one does have aura. And why do you guys only have 1 decision matrix in the whole notebook?
It wasn't weighted for me.
Alright, I'm downloading it very soon, so you guys double check everything. Tell me when to download.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. We have a good chance. I think hopefully the goal is top 3, so I hope that works out. Top 3, who knows? Maybe even might snap the dub.
Oh,
Wait,
submit
don't we have to have it submitted by then?
We got 30 seconds to submit. 30 seconds to submit.
It's downloading.
Submit it. Submit it. Submit it. We got this. First place. First place.
Where am I submitting it?
Copy paste the link. Copy paste the link.
How's it going? You guys got 60 seconds.
Copy paste the link. Copy paste the link. And
Where did I put it? Where did I put it?
Oh, submission. Just copy paste the link. Yeah.
Make sure you join the server. Link down below in the description.
Well, okay, so wait,
Well,
okay.
no, cat
So
food can be
cat
made out of
food,
cats. Cat food can be
cat
made
meat
out of
also
cats.
does not mean that it's cat. It can just mean that it's cat